Okay, so we're going to go ahead and vacuum this area here in the office. And when I go to vacuum, I'm going to start at a higher height adjustment and then work my way down until I hear that the brush roller is engaging and that it's at the right height to go ahead and clean this floor here. And just for good measure, of course, we've got some pet hair, some fake pet hair. This is called K-Pop. It's not real pet hair, but we're going to go ahead and simulate pet hair on the floor so we can see kind of what the performance is like with this vacuum. And this is like a commercial style carpet. It is a patterned carpet. It does have a lot of weave to it. You know, so things are going to be different with different types of carpet pile, of course. But with a better quality brush system, with height adjustment, adjustable suction, the system that we have here with Miele, what they've designed, is designed for any kind of carpet surface, any kind of situation. Specifically, this model does have some things with the cat and dog that are nice if you have pets, okay? But the C3 is going to be a great platform for a lot of different types of carpet pile and situations like the pet hair. All right, so let's fire it up. And we're going to see just how quiet it is as well. And then we can adjust this to the height if we need it to. So we're at a number 2 height. So when you're using a canister vacuum, the best way to use it is to put a hose behind you. So when you pull it, you can really control where it's going to go and where you need it to be. So it's really easy to go ahead and control the Miele canister because of the caster wheels on the bottom and where you want it to be. It's very maneuverable, and of course, like I explained before, you can adjust the hose or the handle up to your hip. So I actually just got into this office. It's a new office, so super stoked to be demoing the vacuum in here because the floor was really dirty to begin with before I put the K-Pop down, so that's really nice to go ahead and get that cleaned up. These power heads too, when you set them upright, are just going to stay upright so you can walk away from it. So the locking neck right here, it actually locks into place to stay upright.